This edition of OSAMP Work Training is going to talk about contract procedure and details. So let's get started. So first things first, if you want a quick overview after watching this or at any point when you're going over a contract again and need a quick refresher, the EC Learn site has a links feature that will get you to a BuzzFeed list that will give you much of the same information that's here. So if you want an opportunity to have a quick refresher, that's going to be your place to go. So right now, if you are working with someone and you need a contract and they already have a contract, no problem. If they don't, but we still need to have a contracted agreement with them, the EC Learn Link site has a performance contract. And there you're going to fill out all the same information that they would give us had they their own contract. So what date they're coming, how long they're going to be here, how much they're getting paid, very important, and what are they agreeing to? Are we giving them travel? Are we giving them lodging? Do we have to provide food or any other items? All of that needs to go here in some capacity. So you're going to have that person sign this agreement, and then the sponsor agreement is for the representative of Emmanuel College. However, very important, you do not sign here. Our office doesn't sign here. That is signed by the business office. They're responsible for making sure that we can deliver on the contract. So, whether the ACT has their own contract or not, you're going to make sure that you go onto the EC Learn site under Files, onto the Contract section, and you're going to look for a W-9 form. So, all of the money that we spend, people are getting paid with, and that means that they're going to have to pay taxes on it eventually. So the W-9 form gives us an opportunity to track where their income is going. So they can report it for their taxes at the end of the year, and we can make sure that we're covered. So you'll go to the W-9 online and have them fill it out, or you can fill it out on their behalf. So they can fill in their information, their name, who they're being represented as if they're working on behalf of a company, and what type of organization they are. If you're not sure about that, chances are they probably already know, so it's not anything that you'll need to worry about. We need to make sure that we also have their mailing address and all the other information as far as how to get their check to them were it to be mailed. So we also are going to make sure that we have either their social security number or their tax ID number, depending upon how they're operating. Most of the time, if it's just one person, it's a social security number. Otherwise, it'll be a federal ID number. And lastly, they have to sign it. If they don't sign it, this document is invalid. So make sure that even if you do it online, they have a signature. Remember, all this paperwork has to get to OSAMP 6 weeks in advance. If you have any questions in the meantime, please let us know.